Hi and welcome back to a new edition of Interviewing Artists. Today we have a very special guest. His name is John Delekakapupu and he is a Foley Artist. What does a Foley Artist do? Let's find out!
Hi, my name is John Delekakapupu and I'm a Foley Artist. Foley Artist is the person who takes care of the sounds in a movie. For instance, if a tree is moving, we do the sound of the wind moving the branches. Birds flying. Someone scratching their head. French. Oh no. The accent gives more credibility to my work. Yo en realidad soy más español que el jamón ibérico. I also do slaps.
Carla, I just wanted to tell you that.
Broken bones. The heartbeat, or someone burping, or peeing. Oh, I've been doing this for the last 7 to 8 weeks of my life. What? People come to me because of my 3 specialities. 1, the water drop. 2, the beatbox. Oui. And 3, the bottle opening, which works really well for documentaries when the animal takes something out of their ass. In my beginnings, I did some porn. Oh, oui, oh, yeah. That is the sound of an egg being beaten at a cooking show. Well, you thought it was something different, huh? You dirty mind.